Here is how to backup contacts to Google Drive. Hello everyone, welcome back to app tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how you can backup contacts to Google Drive. So let's start. First of all, go to the settings of your phone. Then after, scroll below and go to Google. Scroll below and you will find settings for Google Apps. Tap on it. Then after, tap on Google Contact Sync. After that, go to status and make sure your automatic sync is enabled. Tap on turn on and auto sync will be enabled. After that, go to also sync device contacts. Then after, enable the automatic backup option. Now select the account where you want to backup your contact. Then after, your sync will be complete. If you find this option to import contacts from your SIM card, enable this option and import contact as well. For that, simply tap on it. Then after, tap on import from SIM. After you do that, all of your contacts will be backed up to Google Drive. That's it for the video. I hope you found this helpful. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel for further videos.